Hey team, just want to give you some insight as to some of the changes coming your way. We've been communicating about this, but again, I'd rather over communicate. So you've seen some stuff with SWYMO, see what you're made of. This is a partnership with InBody where our software will have some major upgrades to it. Now, eventually, our nutrition platform with new food grading, with all kinds of cool things, wearable devices, CGMs, fitness devices will all overlay into this platform. It's kind of one step at a time, right? So I want to take you behind the scenes and show you exactly what this means for you. And then I want to touch on a couple other things here as well. So start with, this is not the finished product by any means, but it's just a quick look at what your new dashboard is going to look like. So when you log in as a business owner, right now, and even though I'm logged in as my coach, let me show you here, I can come up here and I select from LifeBase Big Nutrition, ScanIQ, or Challenges here. The new platform, think a very cleaner navigation. It's all right here for you. As you expand everything, you're going to see where you can get to all of your buttons here, everything you need to know to manage your business. So I just want to start to bring some of this together for you so you know what's coming. Again, this is not the final piece of the puzzle yet. You're going to have account set up. A huge part of what this is going to be is a resource library here for you. That's going to have all kinds of things for you to access videos and learning tools and things along those lines as well. So sorry, I got logged out there. But what I want to show you is I want to talk to you not only about that, but what to do with ScanIQ. I want to bring this full circle for you and why this is so important, right? So with this, it is important that you register each client for this platform. I don't care whether you're charging for scans or not. Now, within the next month, you'll actually have the ability, let's say like you're in a gym that just wants to build scans into your memberships. Then you can turn off the billing in here. If you're a medical clinic and you want to build scans in as a part of like your GLP-1 program or something like that, you can turn off the billing, right? But as it sits now, to use ScanIQ, you do have to connect a Stripe account, right? And as it sits now, if you come into profile, you go to settings, you open up this QR code. Every person that you have in your business, when they come in to do an InBody scan, they 100% need to scan this QR code. No questions asked. It is super important. This essentially registers them for your system. It gets them inside of your dashboard. Whether they're a nutrition client or not, does not matter. And then there's workflows on the back end to start marketing your program for you, right? So if you come into your back end business center, right? I'm going to close out of here. Let's go to mine just to show you. We'll go to Be Elite. Okay, we've got a series of workflows in here. Under Automations tab, Marketing, Automations, you're going to see a folder for ScanIQ workflows. So the idea is that somebody comes into your business, they do an InBody scan, and then you want a way to market them on the back end without you having to do anything. So inside of your Automation tab, you're going to see these ScanIQ workflows. Click in here. Now we've got ones for you that are done for ScanIQ for nutrition entities, right? You're going to want to click into that workflow, read all the texts and the emails, and you want to make sure that what you see there is everything that you want to communicate to your clients. I think it's set up, they get a total of maybe 6 emails over their first 10 days maybe. So they do an InBody scan, they walk out of your business. Now they're getting communication to come back for InBody scans. There's already links inside of those emails to direct people to your website, right? So that they get information about the other programs or things you offer. And really it's just a way to create retention and engagement without you having to lift a finger. But I would definitely go over those workflows and check it out. So it is really crazy important for you to make sure that you get everybody registered for ScanIQ. Because if I go to the new system, right, what this will do is going to have all kinds of neat tools for you here all in one place. Your revenue analytics, your analytics from both nutrition and from ScanIQ, the times of the day that your machine is getting used the most, how your coaches are doing, total scans, client analytics here, demographics and things. And the idea is this reporting will be built out next level for you on here. You will be able to pull in everybody from your LB web that you have in there currently, but keep in mind that not everybody in your LB web has an email, a phone number, right? Maybe not even a first and last name in there. And so there will be a section on here for that customer list of kind of unsaved or incomplete accounts You can finish filling those out, or you can take them into ScanIQ where they can go ahead and they can just scan the QR code and they're ready to rock and roll right there on the spot, right? So I just want to bring that together for you. Of course, you have your new challenge platform. I'm encouraging you to go through this, look at it, just open up a fake challenge here, right? Play around with this stuff. When you create a new challenge, it's going to take you through step by step how to do this. Now, I recommend using ChatGPT on the back end to kind of describe your challenge, what you want to accomplish. And notice as you go through here, it's going to give you little tips like, hey, maybe you want to make this open to everybody, fat loss and muscle gain. Up to you if you want to make nutrition a part of it. But if you do make nutrition a part of it, then they have to have a nutrition subscription and it will prompt them to sign up for nutrition with you, right? Make the price whatever you want. And then with the description here, again, this will just be kind of a longer description. It tells you everything to do here. But the about, remember here, bullet points, not long paragraphs. So if you're prompting ChatGPT or Claude or whatever AI service you're using, so you can take a lot of the guesswork out of how to make this sound good, let it know to write it in bullet points, describe what you want to do, make it short and sweet. I think that will really help out a lot. So I just want to show you some of the new pieces on the platform overall, what they all mean, what's coming down the pipeline. This will be a really big next 30 to 60 days. And by early summer, all of your clients are going to not only have the LifeBase app, but access to the SWYMO app to view information and reporting on a new level, gamify things with the option to upgrade to nutrition for you guys. So really big things coming down the pipeline. Have a happy Easter. See you guys next week.